A relaxing living space starts with intention. Clear the clutter, invite calm, and design an environment that nurtures your peace and well-being. And that is the thought for today. Welcome to 7 Good Minutes. I'm Clyde Lee Dennis. Thanks for joining me for what I believe will be 7 of the most enriching minutes of your day. In today's episode of 7 Good Minutes, we talk about 7 tips for creating and maintaining a relaxing living space. Enjoy. Ever wondered how to turn your living space into a cozy sanctuary? Creating a relaxing living space is essential in today's fast-paced world, where stress and anxiety seem to lurk around every corner. It's a place where you can unwind, recharge, and just be yourself. But with our increasingly busy lives, it's easy to let our living spaces become cluttered, chaotic, and overwhelming. We often underestimate the impact our living environment has on our mental health and overall well-being. But the truth is, it plays a significant role in determining our mood, energy levels, and productivity. The importance of creating a relaxing living space cannot be stressed enough. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about creating an environment that promotes relaxation, reduces stress, and improves your overall quality of life. So, where do you start? Let's dive into the 7 essential tips to help you create your dream relaxing living space. Tip number 1. Declutter and minimize. Get rid of anything you don't need or use. Clutter can be overwhelming and cause anxiety, so keep only what brings you joy or serves a purpose. Make sure every item in your living space has a designated place, making it easy to find what you need when you need it. Tip number 2. Choose calming colors. Colors have a profound impact on our mood and emotions. Opt for calming shades like blues, greens, and neutral tones to create a serene atmosphere. These colors can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Tip number 3. Incorporate natural elements. Bring the outdoors in by adding plants, natural textiles, or a water feature. These elements can create a sense of calm and tranquility, making your living space feel more relaxing. Tip number 4. Consider the lighting. Dim, warm lighting can create a cozy ambiance, while bright lights can make a space feel overwhelming. Experiment with different lighting options to find what works best for you. Tip number 5. Add textiles. Throws, blankets, and pillows can add texture and warmth to your living space, making it feel cozier and more inviting. Choose materials that are soft to the touch and calming to the eye. Tip number 6. Create a focal point. A statement piece, like a stunning piece of art or a beautiful vase, can draw the eye and create a sense of calm. This focal point can also help distract from any clutter or chaos that may still exist in your space. Tip number 7. Make it technology-free. Designate a technology-free zone in your living space to encourage relaxation and reduce stress. This zone can be a reading nook, a meditation area, or simply a quiet corner where you can unwind. One of the most remarkable things about these tips is that they can be applied to any living space, regardless of its size or style. Whether you live in a small studio apartment or a sprawling mansion, these tips can help you create a relaxing oasis that feels like home. For example, I once helped a friend transform her tiny apartment into a cozy retreat by applying these very tips. We started by decluttering and minimizing her belongings, then added some calming colors and natural elements to create a sense of serenity. The result was a peaceful space that felt like a warm hug. Studies have also shown that people who live in relaxing environments tend to be happier, healthier, and more productive. So, if you're still unsure about the importance of creating a relaxing living space, let the statistics speak for themselves. Of course, some of you might be thinking, but I have a limited budget, or my partner has a different taste in decor. And yes, these are valid concerns. However, the truth is that creating a relaxing living space doesn't have to break the bank. Start with small changes, like decluttering or adding a few plants, and see how it makes you feel. You can also involve your partner in the decision-making process to ensure that your living space reflects both of your styles. Creating a relaxing living space is not a luxury, it's a necessity. By applying these 7 essential tips, you can transform your living space into a peaceful retreat that promotes relaxation, reduces stress, and improves your overall well-being. So what's your favorite way to unwind in your living space? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. That does it for today's episode of 7 Good Minutes. Please take a moment to rate and review the show on the platform you're listening on. Until next time, let's be civil to one another out there. Thanks for listening.